This is my 2000 Silverado. It's got the 5.3 4L60 comp cam, long tube headers, Y pipe, 3-inch exhaust, Flowmaster Super 10 dumped out the side. Stock stall, and I mean, it hasn't given me any issues. It pushes a little bit at stoplights and in traffic, but you just pop it in neutral and forget about it. Overall, it's not too bad. The truck is a 2000, so it's 20 years old, and in my state I'm able to tag it historic at that age and not do emissions, so that's why it doesn't have cats. Yeah, it sounds great cruising down the road. Sounds pissed off.